You're my favorite person, and that's why I love you. You're my favorite person, yeah. Always thinking of you. And I want you to see who I am. And I pray you will please be my friend. And I want it to be till the end of time. So I pray you will always be mine. 'Cause you're my favorite person, yeah. And that's why I love you. You're my favorite person, yeah. And I'm always thinking of you. And I want you to see who I am. And I pray you please be my friend. And I want it to be till the end of time. So I pray you will always be mine. And I want you to see who I am. And I pray you will please be my friend. And I want it to be till the end of time. So I pray you will always be mine. 'Cause you're my favorite. I put on your favorite song today. I let it play and play. Cleaned your clothes and put them all away. I don't know why, because you're gone. It's hard to breathe, holding on to your memory. If I should die before I wake tomorrow, I'd be with you. You would tell me not to think that way, that I'm strong, but you're wrong. I'm not You said this would be the last time. So why'd you tell me all those white lies? You told me all the time. There's just something in the way that you look in my eyes. I just can't turn away. The look on your face is making me stay. Don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you'd change, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, messing. Oh, you keep messing with my head. Maybe I would be better off without you in my life. I feel trapped inside your cage, and you threw a key away, and there's just no escape. That's what you're telling me. That's what you're doing to me. So don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you'd change, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, messing. Messing with my head. You said you never lied to me, telling me that you cared. But now the truth is plain to see. You never cared about me.
Okay, but like seriously, what does she have that I don't?
Don't call